since it's now May, it's time to do another garden update. And quite frankly, I think it's doing pretty well.
Pretty good, yeah.
We'll see what happens, but we've almost got the last garden bed built.
Yeah.
Takes a lot of
The
brick.
big one.
Yeah, it's the big one. And then we'll have to add some more pea gravel to the area. But overall, we have seen an improvement with like the cucumbers and actually all the plants just growing. So we thought we'd give a May update. So that's what we're going to do tonight, and that way we can track it. But going to show you an update and then maybe track it each month to see how it goes. I think our last update was what, a few weeks ago? It was definitely,
Sounds right.
was it an April one, I believe?
Yeah.
So now it's May, and we'll continue throughout the year. Let's go check it out. You might occasionally hear the dogs in the background, but so here's the jasmine. I think it's growing good. Seems
Yeah.
healthy.
I think this part got hit with the freeze more so.
Oh yeah.
So it's a little wimpier looking than that side, but.
Here's your little, look, you've
Yeah.
added, I don't think we showed that last time, did we?
Oh
You got
yeah, I
your
just found some little decorations. Put them in there.
that all looks good.
Yeah, there's weeds, but I keep pulling them out. They keep coming back. That's how it goes, right?
Yeah. But that looks nice and green.
Basil, cilantro, chamomile, dill, I think maybe thyme.
Now I do want to show this palm tree I've had for a very long time. It is really happy in this location.
Yeah, all that inner
Yeah, that's all
section is all brand new.
new. Now this is growing like crazy. You probably need to pick some of it out, don't you?
Yeah, I can cut some of it back. Same as the other side though. It's interesting to see what side grows better because I planted the same stuff over here that I did on the other side, but this one gets a little bit less sun and it seems to be doing a little bit better.
Dog. And we just recently had we had the big day of rain and the gravel held up. Just has some little pieces of grass growing through, but not too
Yeah.
many. But let's go over here. This is growing like crazy. So the recent addition was just
Got some sunshade.
minimal
Thanks.
sunshade just to cover
What was
enough.
it, like a 55%?
Yeah,
I
think
think this
so.
was on Amazon. How much was it? Like $10 for a
$10,
roll?
yeah. That covered both.
So, yeah, we cut it in half and used it for both beds. This is obviously all of the cucumber. There are a ton of blooms down here. I think we need to do a little bit of maybe fertilizer just because the leaves are yellowing a little bit, but otherwise it's healthy and growing a lot. So that's good news. And then on the inside is all of the peas or beans growing up the trellis. So
I like how green it is though.
yeah, let's
It's
try
looking
and
pretty
keep them
good.
from going over to the other side. So we'll see.
So we showed it before, but that's the left-hand side. The right-hand side, there are lizards everywhere. Hold on, let me show you this. Look at that. Oh. Wouldn't that be crazy if he jumped on the camera? Hi. How close can we get? Look though, that's, you don't like the green ones, do you?
No, they're not. No, they look too much like those tree snakes that are green. You know?
I'm seeing if he like,
Did you just lick that?
yeah, does his like throat thing again. It was like bright pink.
Oh, they have like a flappy thing too?
Yeah, I just saw it a second ago.
Huh.
Come on.
It kind of looks like the Geico gecko
It
little
does.
bit. A little bit. Oh my word. Do not.
Very unpredictable though. Look at that. They are literally everywhere right now. Oh. And there was one right there. So what, this is the tomato
Yes.
area?
Yeah. So these are the vining tomatoes. They're the little baby ones, like the small tomatoes. And then I don't really know what we'll get over here. We'll get some sort of tomatoes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the vining method. We'll see. I don't know.
See what happens.
There's
that's for sure.
other little sprouts popping up in the bed because those are other herbs that I throw in.
Oh. It did its little like throat.
Oh, it's different color now.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my.
I don't know if you saw it or not.
It's a watermelon slice.
Give us one more.
There you go.
There, that was a good action photo. How close can I get? Nice. All right. Now back to the garden beds here. And then this side.
Yep, this side has more peas and beans growing, and peppers and zucchini and herbs. So everything looks pretty healthy. I keep pulling out the dead marigolds and just throwing them everywhere. So we'll see if we get any more of those.
Yep. And then look at this one since the last time we've shown it.
Yeah.
This has really grown.
Yeah, this is the, see, I'm telling you, everything on the left side,
Yep.
if our orientation, is growing really well. So again, more peas and beans, and then a ton of zucchini. Probably too many, but see how it goes.
Yeah.
This is my first batch of zinnias, and then once we get the big garden bed done, I'm gonna plant some more as well. So they look pretty good.
Yep.
Something else about those zinnias, my mom saved some of her flower seeds from her zinnias that she grew, like cut the heads off and gave them to me and sent me seeds. So they're like, I guess, heirloom.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's what qualifies as heirloom, but it's like second generation, I guess. Maybe third at this point, because I think she did that a couple years ago, and I keep taking the heads and saving them each year, so.
And now obviously we didn't have any of this done last time we showed you, but I'd say about 3/4 of the way there. We've got to buy the brick to go on top.
Yeah.
And then we just have to finish out that side there, just take it back toward the fence. And when that's done, obviously it's going to take quite a bit of soil.
Yeah. We'll have to, well, we'll fill it with a bunch of other stuff too.
Yeah.
First, and then, yeah, a lot of soil.
And then obviously continue the pea gravel up here and around. And then we'll be in business. I don't know, I don't know if we'll do lights over this one or not. We might
Maybe
do 4.
like solar lights even, or something.
Yeah.
Like on the ground maybe.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see. We'll
We are
see how
close.
it turns out. But we're planning on doing flowers along the back as kind of a border, and then watermelon. It might be too late for that.
Yeah,
We may
so-
just give it a try, but then we'll do pumpkins too,
Yeah,
and just see.
it's getting there. I'm actually pretty pleased with it all. It's been easy to maintain. And well, the dogs have stayed out of it, so that's good.
And I know someone mentioned get a watering system or whatever. I actually enjoy coming out and watering, so I don't mind that part.
That's how close we can get here with it staying in focus. They look healthy. So many lizards, though.
I think we showed this last time, the peach tree that was on the brink of death, we thought, but it has a ton
Yeah,
of
it's coming back.
new leaves. So I cleared out the bottom of it and then put a fertilizer down. And what else did I do? I feel like I did something else.
I know, it's
Just
looking really
watered
good.
it a bunch. That helped too.
Then look at this. There are so many on it now.
Yeah, and like they're growing well. This one back here is, I think, the biggest one. But then there's the 3 up there, one there, one there, one there, there. Little guy there, couple back here. So that's promising,
Yeah.
right? I did the same thing. I cleared out around that and did the fertilizer.
Now, a couple more things just as far as the house goes. The dining area that we're making into like a little sitting area, we actually just got the table. We took it apart. It comes apart, and my parents took it to their house for storage, so that's all cleared out. So we will start doing some major stuff in there. And we're going to keep working on this big garden bed and get it ready pretty soon. So then what's June, which will be here before we know it.
Yeah.
June we'll have an update of how everything is growing in there. I thought about doing corn too. We'll see. We'll just see what happens.
Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 grow bags too.
Oh yeah.
That we could plant some things in. I think I did okra in that before, and it went really well. The okra did.
Yeah.
So we'll find a few more things to plant.
Yep.
Potatoes maybe.
So June, maybe the beginning of June, we'll try to do another update, and then July, and obviously the summer's a very hard time to plant here in Florida to try to grow stuff, but we'll see what we can do. It's still been pretty dry, so we have to water every day, but whenever that good rain comes in, it really helps everything grow like crazy. So, but it takes some time trying to level out all the brick to get, there's just lizards everywhere. There's one on the ground right there. It takes a while to level out the brick.
Oh my word, Nana just rolled over, scratched her back on the ground, and rolled back over.
And there's a lizard right there on.
I saw her feet go up in the air.
You see that, lizards?
Yeah.
Anyway, it takes a while to get the brick level. I mean, it's not perfect, but we try to keep it around the same height as the other ones. I think we've done a pretty good job with it, so that's something else we will have to keep working on. But now it's getting pretty hot outside, so we have to do it usually in the evenings or, yeah, pretty much in the evenings. So
I did add those little, I think they were called like pollinator baths.
Oh yeah.
I just took the tray of a old pot that I had and put rocks and then just put water in it each morning. Apparently that's good for pollinators.
Yeah.
And then I want to add either a potting shed over there, or I've seen some greenhouses that you can, they're small enough that you could put in that space. So still have more plans.
And we got to finish fencing it off.
Yeah.
Which are just the little panels we get from Lowe's.
I don't feel like that would take too much.
No,
left.
they're just expensive panels.
Yeah.
That's like $50 a panel. So and we're going to try to do a gate over here too, just so that we can get in and out on this side. But yeah, there you go. I thought it'd be fun to do a garden update because we've really worked hard this year at it, trying to do the best we can. There's Gaston. What are you doing, Gaston? What are you doing?
Oh, you have permission. He was waiting for permission to come over.
What are you doing?
Good boy.
Talk.
Oh.
He just licked it.
Don't lick it. Don't lick it.
Say something.
Hi, buddy.
All right. Nana is just laying over there, but. All right. Well, thanks for joining.
Bye.
So anyway, that is our garden area. We'll do an update when we get more done inside the house. It's coming along. We work on it every little chance we can get.
I think we'll start transitioning more to the inside stuff here soon anyways, because it's getting too hot to be outside.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. So there you have it. Right now, evenings are nice, but bugs are terrible. So
terrible.
Really bad right now, getting bit a bunch. But before we end, a couple things. Can somebody give us recommendations on what else we should plant, what works best in like the summer months? Also, bird baths. And also potential trying to attract bees, right?
Oh, well, yeah. That's what the flowers will do.
Yeah.
So that'll be our next task.
Yeah.
I do have the marigolds, so.
And an update on the grass I planted. It really hasn't done much. I don't think it worked.
No.
The good news
I
is
think we have to be a little bit more intentional with it.
we keep watering though, and weeds keep coming up green. So at least the yard's looking somewhat green. But yeah, the grass didn't really. Looking at the spots. Oh, that reminds me of summer, doesn't it?
That sounds.
Summers in Missouri.
And the air conditioning.
Yeah, I guess the AC
that
turned
reminds
on.
me of summer too.
So I think we'll end it now, but hopefully that was a good little preview May 2026 update of the garden. Now Nana thinks
Here
she's
she comes.
got to be here too. You're all dirty from rolling around in the grass, Nana. What are you doing? But I think we're going to call it. So hopefully you enjoyed our update. Stay tuned for some other updates, and we'll continue updating each month to see where we get. With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.